and today we're taking a look at how to make a simple and easy egg wash. So you want your bread to look shiny and have that beautiful golden color, as well as a nice crust on the top. A great and easy way to do that is using an egg wash. And you can also use an egg wash to seal dough. When you want to take two parts of a dough and seal them together, you use an egg wash as a glue. And you can use for pastry as well to get that nice great shine and taste. This is fairly simple and easy to make. Anyone with no experience could go ahead and make it. The first thing that we're gonna need is a bowl. Then we're gonna need the most important ingredient, and that's a whole egg. You can also do this without the yolk, but the simplest way is just using the whole egg. Depending on the amount of eggs is the amount of water that you add. For every 1 egg, we want to add 4 tablespoons of water. Once we've done that, now we want to whisk to combine everything as one liquid, where you don't want to see the yolk or the egg white or the water. Once you start seeing little bubbles, that means you're there. You can also do this on your stand mixer using the whisk attachment, but doing it by hand, it only takes 1 minute to 2 minutes at most. Now that your egg wash is complete, you can take your brush and brush it into your bread, pastry, or seal your patties together. And if you're gonna add sesame seeds, the wash helps it from not falling off the bun. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.